Hi students, uh, today I am going to tell you something about the third chapter of Vistage, class 12th English. बहुत अच्छा चैप्टर है, इन्वायरमेंट से रिलेटेड है. तिशानी दोषी फेमस इन्वायरमेंटलिस्ट हैं. She has written this chapter and the name of the chapter is Journey to the End of the World. And she has nicely talked about her experience of visiting Antarctica, which she says that it is the windiest, driest, and coldest place on earth. And the tagline of the chapter is, अगर आप उसे ठीक चैप्टर का जहां पे नाम लिखा है उसके नीचे का पढ़ेंगे तो यू विल सी, उसमें लिखा है, if you want to know the present, past and future of mankind, you should visit Antarctica. So let us start this chapter, and by the time this chapter ends, you will find yourself in a very comfortable state. So far as your examinations are concerned, आपको बहुत आराम से चीजें समझ में आ जाएंगी. बस इस वीडियो को लास्ट तक आप लोग देखते जाइए और एंजॉय कीजिए. Okay, so let's begin this video. So first of all, I tell you that Tishani Doshi in this chapter tells us about, shares her experience of Antarctic region, as she was one of the members of this very important program, Students on Ice program, which was initiated, launched by Jeff Green. He was a Canadian, and his aim behind taking the students of high school standard was that he personally felt that the students have more power, more imagination, and more grasping power, and moreover, they are the policy makers of tomorrow. So, if they understand the concept of global warming and how the study of Antarctica can be very crucial in this regard. And also he just wanted to show them the big icebergs that are collapsing, and the biggest is the biggest recorded is of the size of Belgium country. So this whole Antarctic region is filled with all sorts of wonders all around. So ये सारे रीजन्स थे जिसके वजह से जेफ ग्रीन को लगा कि उन्हें हाई स्कूल लेवल के स्टूडेंट्स को एक्सपीडिशन पे ले जाना चाहिए. इस क्वेश्चन को आप जरूर शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चन के रूप में लर्न जरूर करिएगा. तिशानी दोषी इसमें आगे बताती हैं कि दे एक्सपीरियंस्ड व्हेन दे रीच्ड इन अंटार्कटिका, दे एक्सपीरियंस्ड दैट 90% of the Earth's total ice volumes are stored in the Antarctic region. तो आप समझ सकते हैं कि पूरे दुनिया की 90% बर्फ अंटार्कटिका में है. और इफ you are visiting Antarctica, it means you are the part of that history, she says. एक हिस्ट्री का पार्ट आप हैं. सो अब वो हमें आगे की तरफ ले चलती है एक कदम, और वो बताती है कि अंटार्कटिका की हिस्ट्री क्या रही थी. What was the history of Antarctica? And now she says that some 650 million years back, there used to be a supercontinent. It was so giant, it was so big, it was amalgamated. Amalgamated means combined होता है, एक मिला हुआ रूप था. बहुत बड़ा एक सुपर कॉन्टिनेंट उसको कहा जाता था. इट वॉज अराउंड 650 ईयर्स बैक. गोंडवाना उसका नाम था. और एट दैट टाइम यू विल बी सरप्राइज टू नो, शी सेज दैट अंटार्कटिका एंड इंडिया वर द पार्ट ऑफ द सेम लैंड मास. और इसकी लोकेशन, सुपर कॉन्टिनेंट की जो लोकेशन थी, वो आज के प्रेजेंट डे अंटार्कटिका की ही है. तो अब सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट बात यह है कि हाउ इट ऑल हैपेंड कि आज इंडिया एशियन प्लेट इतने नॉर्थ की साइड चली गई एंड अंटार्कटिका रिमेन्ड एट द बॉटम ऑफ द ग्लोब, विच मेक्स इट टू फ्रिजिड, टू विंडी एंड टू ड्राई अ प्लेस. Now she says that Gondwana existed for more than 500 million years And in just last 100 million years, when the dinosaurs were wiped out and the age of mammals got underway, mammals आ गए थे, dinosaurs चले गए थे, then actually it is the story of just 100 million years back when land mass was forced to separate into countries. उस समय फिर separate होके land masses countries के रूप में तब्दील हुए. And as the world looks now, it all happened 100 million years back. Now she says that whatever commotion took place in last so many millions of years, the countries like India got separated from all of the Asian plate. In fact, got separated from the present day Antarctica, and this northward movement is still continued, because of which today we experience the earthquakes in the newly formed Himalayas. So here the first part of the chapter comes to an end. I'll come up with the second and the final part soon. Thank you very much.